Hello everyone, welcome back to Journey to Wisdom and Wealth. My name is Tara. If you're new, welcome. If you're not new, welcome back. You know you're already part of the what? Grateful gang, 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 grateful gang, 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 grateful gang, 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 grateful gang, 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 gang. If you're not part of Grateful Gang, we love to have you over here. It's free $99. It costs you nothing to hit that red subscribe button. Don't forget to leave me a comment down below. How did your May go? Are you ready for new June vibes? Let me know, okay? Don't forget to share this if you feel like it can help somebody, but let's get into the video. Today we're going to be unstuffing our May variable envelopes, and we're also going to be restuffing them. The only thing we're not going to talk about right now is the money for groceries, because there's some things on the card that still need to be paid, and I want to make sure it's down to its final like $15 before we say we have money left. And then once that's done, we'll move June's grocery money in, which is fine because I kind of use money from May to get like the first week of groceries for June. So that actually worked out. Into my handy dandy wallet, which I really, really love. It's so pretty. It holds a lot. I got this over at Beautifully Me and You shop. However, she's not, look at this. Oh God, look at this, y'all. However, she's not selling these anymore. These were just some samples that she had. However, I think on her community page, she knows someone who you could get them from if you're interested in. All right, so I still got a lot of receipts and things to scan and some money in here. So let's hope I can figure it out. Clearly, I did not get in here prior to this. Okay. Chill out. All right, so let's go into gas, which I believe these $2 belong to, and see what we got going on in here. And the sun is shining, so y'all know we love the sun, but it may make weird shadows. For that, I am not sorry. Okay, it says we're supposed to have $82, but it feels like less. 20, 40, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54. Now, I believe I got $18 worth of gas. Hey, on 6/1. 6/1, it says 20, but I remember not getting the full 20, and that's why there was $2 left. So let's just fill that out really quickly. 6/1 gas, and the gas tank is full, which I love for me. $18. So 82 minus 18 is 64. Is that what we have? Is that what I counted? Do y'all remember? Because I don't. It's early in the morning. 20, 40, 50, 1, 2, 3. No, that's not what I counted. Wait a minute. Am I missing a receipt for gasolina? Am I going to worry about it? I don't think I am. Okay, so on 6/1, I had my... what was that? I had my delivery of my new fridge, and I gave them a $10 tip. And I just pulled it out of the first envelope, which was gas. I'm like, $28? And I don't think so. So I gave a $10 tip. So it was 64 minus 10 equals 54. Although it still seems like I'm missing $1. 20, 40, 50, 1, 2, 3, 4. No, I'm not. No, I'm not. 54 exactly. Y'all play too much. You play too much. Lady. So let's put this money up. Our $54. That worked out properly in the end. Thank you for bearing with me through the process. But this is what it is when you don't look through everything before you get on the camera. Real life.
Yes, this is the life of a creative.
Giving, which is where the $10 should have came from. But honestly, y'all, at this point, I didn't feel like giving them all this singles. And also, at this point, it doesn't matter. The money is going to saving, so, or whatever else I need. So this, we should still have $20 in here. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Why? Why don't we have $20 in here? 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Where'd I put $4? Girl, I don't know. I'm not doing it. $4 is missing. I gave $4 to someone somewhere in life. Giving is minus $4. I don't know. We actually have $16 left. Okay. I need to do better at writing things down. I don't remember. I'm sure I gave it as like a tip or something, but I don't remember why. Editing to her here, the $4 was for milk that I bought for my grandma as giving, and then you also see had an extra $1 left, and that was a part of the milk purchase. You'll see the $1 at the end of the video. And then eating out, oof, this category, yikes. There's some money left. 21, 2, 3, 4. That's right. However, it's really not, y'all, because this is why I'm considering actually taking the grocery money out in cash as well, because it was just easier sometimes at food places to swipe my card. And the money, I did have money in my God Provides envelope, so I did it, but I really should have went into my eating out envelope and paid for it, and I didn't. But honestly, like I said, everything before I started using the cash, because we're trying to pay off this bill, it really was just one amount of money. And that's the kind of route I'm trying to go down right now, where it's just a lump sum and I just spend as I go. But for now, just know that all of this, some of this probably really should have went into the grocery budget, but it's okay. 21, 2, 3, 4. I said all that just to explain. I like to be completely transparent in what's going on with the moolah. So $24 was left in eating out. Fun. I was supposed to do fun things, and it just, life happened. And so fun had 50, and it's 20, 40, 50. And to be honest, y'all, I'm leaving $20 in fun. Yes, I am. Because I don't think it's right that I didn't have any fun or do anything, and I really should have. And I want to make sure I give myself a little extra money to do something fun. So we're going to take the $30 and save it. And plus there are other things that I wanted to do that I had a list, and I need to find it, because I need to remember, like, oh, I need to buy this, oh, I need to buy that. Self-care has nothing in it. Actually, 10 of that fun dollars is going into self-care, because we're going to try another nail. I've been enjoying having my nails done, but this gel that they put on, look at this one. This one didn't make it. And 2 of them had to be redone. So as much as I love them, I think I might have to try dip powder. You guys in the comments, y'all are the real OGGG Grateful Gang members with the information. They were like, get the dip powder, it lasts longer. And since I know that's probably going to be a little bit more, I'm going to put that money over there. And that's it, y'all. So let's see how much we have in the cash. Oh, why did I do that? Got a lot of dollar bills, y'all, which is fine. We'll probably trade them in when we stuff the restuff. So we have 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. We have $114, y'all. That's amazing. Keep in mind, it was extra money in there to begin with, but I'm very happy with that outcome. Wu-Tang, Wu-Tang. Okay. It's that Wu-Tang, Wu-Tang. It wouldn't be a me video if I didn't break out in song. I mean, really. Anyway, now we're going to do what? Restuff it, because we need money to go forward, right? So let's keep going, and we're going to find where the money resides, where the money resides. Where the what? Where the money resides, where the money resides. And
because I'm asked, what the what? What the money reside? What the money reside? What the money reside? What the money reside? Okay.
That's in the back to bank envelope in the back it up. In the back it up. Okay, y'all, did I say good morning? Happy Tuesday. You'll actually probably see this later on Tuesday, so it works. There should be $280, maybe. Not 100%, don't remember.
Show me the money.
20, 40, 60, 80, 100. 20, 40, 60, 80, 200. 20, 40, 60. What? 20, 40, 60, 80. 280. 20, 40, 60, 81. 20, 40, 60, 82. 20, 40, 60, 80. Okay. This machine did not have 10s in it. It's grateful that my amount was actually supposed to be 280. But now I'm going to have to probably use some of my money that I just took out as backup. So gas is going to get, girl, I really need to write in this little thing how much each thing get, because, girl, I don't remember. Yikes. And then I can't even look at this because this started off with weird money. All right, hold on, y'all. How about no? We found $1. I was going through the receipts. We found $1. Yay. So 115? Oh, I like that number even better. Okay, don't ask me where the dollar came from, child. I don't know. It was in the envelope. It was in the receipt pile. But I just remembered that this is also in the receipt pile, which is my sticky note that tells me how much each thing gets. All right, gas gets 100. 20, 40, 60, 81. 100. We're going to just do 20s because that's kind of like what I've been using to fill up anyway. So oh shoot. We ain't got all day. I'm gonna fill this tracker out later. I'm gonna fill the tracker out on my own time. Y'all ain't got time for that. We ain't got time for that this morning. Got to get to work. And then giving is getting 20. Boo. But let me see if I could get it in some change. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and a 10. Okay, that was of the extra money, and we'll just put 20 out of the pile that I had. Put it back there. So, where'd this come from? Wait a minute. 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, 115. Y'all see that? Almost messed myself up. So giving should get 10. I'm sorry, y'all. We are all over the place this morning. My apologies. I'm going to get my life together. 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So $20 into giving. Eating out is supposed to get $60. Oh, Lord. 20, 40, $60 going to eating out. Poor eating out. I'm going to try very hard to actually not eat out too much this month so that I can hopefully save this towards Kill Bill. And fun is getting 30, but it's also going to get the 20 that's in here, so that makes me happy. I have $10. Can I make change? Oh, I think so. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's not gonna help us. You know what? Yikes! Hold on. Let me sheesh on. I actually need 20. Let me check my Panda. Panda. 5, 10, 11, 12, 13. Shall no. Panda can't help us. It can't help us right now. You know what? I have a petty cash here. That's supposed to be like an emergency cash of $100. So let me see if I can find that binder and take it out the safe. And hold on. I'll be back, y'all. All right. So I found the petty cash. Okay. Folder, I believe. I believe. Y'all, I still got money in these bookmark challenges. Girl, lady. I got money in here. What? Seeking. So seeking is where all my little petty cash is. It should be perfect. So I need 2 10s for this here 20. And that should be good. I'm sorry that y'all, I don't know how I'm apologizing for the sun. However, if this lighting is good morning weird, my apologies. Thank you for your service. Now we got our 2 10s. Let's finish this up. We're almost done. So, right, so the grace of God and the sun is sunning on fun. Yes, fun gets 30. So 20 and a 10, 30. But it's actually going to have 50 again because this one's crispy. We saved 20 from the last time, 20, 40, 50, because I want to do things. Although my fun partner is going through some things right now, and I'm praying for her and her family, maybe I can find something for me to do on my own. Once again. Okay, anyway. Self-care. Self-care is getting... It's normal 70 plus this 10 to hopefully be able to get these nails done. 20, 40, 60, and 70. and extra 10, and then if I need the extra 10 out of fun, I'll do that because these nails are fun for me. Okay. I feel pretty, oh so pretty when they're done. 20, 40, 60, 70, $80 in self-care. Wish it was 100, but we'll take what we can get. I mean, I could make it 100, but right now we're really focused on paying off this bill, honey. All right. 115, well, this is what we're going to do. 20, 40, 60, 81. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 14, 15. 150. I wonder if that's enough in giving in singles. I don't know if I really want to have a 10 in giving. Actually, yeah, you do. Yeah, you do. Because sometimes if it's like a fam band member, I just want to throw them a 10. Throw them a 10, girl. I just enjoy saying girl. I'm not meaning to, ladies. Okay, so I think what I'm going to do is that's it with the cash stuffing portion. I need to leave this open for back to the bank. I am, before I leave though, going to do some money to my little Panda challenge so we don't forget that we're doing it. And I think maybe 15. Because 20, 40, no, girl, yes. Manifest those as 20s. Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. This poor envelope is going to be so full. I'm going to do just the 15 right here. Where's my little... Let's go with purple. Not purple. We did purple already. Let's go with pink. And let's do this 15. And at least we did something towards it. It's going to be a slow burn, y'all. It's going to be a slow burn. If it wasn't for that dental bill, we'd be almost done. Or we would be done. But that's okay. So now we have 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. Not bad. We got $29 in our Panda. And so that's a 6-3. Is it, what is it? Yeah, 6-3. I need to charge my phone. And we're going to do save. And that's $15. And that should equal 14 plus 15 is 29. Wish it was 30, but that's okay. And I really love my little envelope. I'm not trying to mess it up. So, you know, like, I'm not trying to have it really buffed out like this. But that's all right. So 100, 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. 100 is going to go into our back to the bank. And when I drop by the Civis, we'll put this back to the bank. And 3 variable for May. And that's $100. $100 being deposited. And this will go to our month-end savings to pay towards Killer Bill, which is amazing because this is about almost one full payment. Grateful for that. That's it, y'all. I'm so happy we made it. So happy that we made it. Thank you guys so much for rocking with me. I know this one was a little longer than I thought it was going to be, but we did all that we needed to do. I got to scan these receipts into Fetch. But we're all set for the month of June spending. I'm going to have to be a lot more thoughtful when it comes to my budget for groceries because we only have $280 divided into 4 weeks. Oh, do I have? No, I have 200. Girl, I wish. 200 divided 4 weeks, that's $50 per week, and we need to make that stretch. Wu-Tang. Why is that song in my head? Anyway, get low in your squat. Thanks for rocking with me. Remember, in order to be great, you have to be grateful. I'm super grateful for you. Have a wonderful, blessed day, and I love you. Mean it. Bye.